Crunchy and Gobble have decided to start their very own business. They're opening a bakery. Come on, let's help them set everything up. Drag the food items to the correct positions. Bread, cupcake, donut, cheesecake, cookie, croissant. Crunchy will be the cashier. Gobble will be the baker. Oh, the bakery just opened and the first customer is already here. Do you know what this customer wants? She wants to buy some cookies. She pays for it and waits patiently. Let's prepare a batch of yummy cookies for the customer. First, let's prepare the cookie dough. Add flour, add sugar, add baking powder, add butter, add eggs, add baking soda, add vanilla essence, tap and hold the electric mixer. The dough is ready. Let's get the cookies onto a tray. Keep tapping on the dough. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Choose your favorite topping. Great! Gobble puts the tray in the oven. Yay! The cookies are ready! Oh, they look delicious! Gobble hands the cookies over to Crunchy. Crunchy packs the cookies for the customer. Now that's one happy customer. Wow, another customer walks in. The customer wants some delicious cupcakes. He happily pays for it. It's time to bake some cupcakes. Yippee! Pour the batter into the molds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Drag the tray into the oven. The cupcakes are ready. Decorate the cupcake. Crunchy serves the freshly baked cupcakes to the customer. He loves it! The chomping monsters have been working hard all day. It was a successful first day of business. Thanks for helping them out today. See you on their next adventure. Bye-bye!